Tarang, Chhoti Si Duniya. Today we will learn colors name. Red, red. This is red color. Red strawberry, red flower, red car, and red t-shirt. Blue, blue. This is blue color. Blue flower, blue bird, blue juice, and blueberries. Pink, pink. This is pink color. Pink flower, pink bird, pink bag, and dragon fruit, which is in pink color. Yellow, yellow. This is yellow color. Banana, lemon, sunflower, and yellow fish. Green, green. This is green color. Leaves, capsicum, green parrot, and green grapes. Purple, purple. This is purple color. Brinjal, lavender, plum, and butterfly. Orange, orange. This is orange color. Orange, pumpkin, orange flower which is called as marigold, and orange monkey. Black, black. This is black color. Crow, black cat, black hair, and black hat. White, white. This is white color. Milk, white swan, white egg, and white rice. Brown, brown. This is brown color. Wood, kiwi, brown bear, and brown potato. So today we have learned the colors name and the examples for the colors. If you like such videos and my work, please do support and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.